Now we're gonna make a wooden heart out of these tumbling tower blocks, and all you need are blocks and our Superunix to create this. So inexpensive and so easy. All you do is lay out a bunch of your blocks and start designing and creating. I will give you a couple tips here. It helps to sort of start at the top, kind of work your way out, and then as you are stacking your blocks, kind of try to keep each new layer at the same height. That way you get a nice balanced heart in the end. And then also I added some blocks on the sides there to kind of help reinforce it and give it more shape. And then all you do is you just take your Superunix once you have your shape and add a little bit to each side. Make sure to cover your work surface as you are doing this because it will kind of squish out from the sides. I just used some wrapping paper to cover up my surface, and then once it was dry, which only takes maybe 5 minutes, I let mine sit, it is good to go. And you can use this to put on a shelf or, like I'm going to show you here, be so cute in the center of a wreath. I really love the addition of that metal family word right in the middle of this. Added that on with my Superunix too, and such a cute, easy, and inexpensive craft that you could really use all year long.